Before I begin my next story, I want you to take a look at something. A video message by Daniel Pearl's parents, Mrs. Ruth Pearl and Judy Pearl. Here it is.
Assalaam-o-alaikum. Ramazan Mubarak.
Ramazan Mubarak. Mother of Daniel Pearl. Since 2002, when our son was kidnapped and murdered in Pakistan, our life has been upside down. There's not a single thing that we don't miss our son. I'm going to let my husband do the speaking because I have a problem in my vocal cord.
The clip you just saw is from May 2020. It was sent to the Supreme Court of Pakistan. The Pearl family wanted Pakistan's top court to reverse a decision by the Sindh High Court, a decision that overturned the conviction of their son's killers. In September, a two-judge bench assembled and it barred the Sindh government from releasing these killers. We are in the month of December now, and the Sindh High Court has ordered the immediate release of Daniel Pearl's killers. It has ordered the release of the man you see on your screen, Ahmad Omar Saeed Sheikh. He is a terrorist. He is set to walk free. An American journalist was kidnapped and beheaded in 2002. His body was cut into pieces and buried. His killers were sent to prison by Pakistan's judiciary. 18 years later, the very same judiciary says these men are innocent. On Saturday, that is the 26th of December, Daniel Pearl's murderers will be set free. His parents have once again appealed to the Supreme Court of Pakistan. They say they have full confidence in Pakistan's judiciary to provide justice for their beloved son. They say they expect the Supreme Court to reinforce the paramount importance of the freedom of the press. But their appeal seems to have fallen on deaf ears. The Supreme Court of Pakistan has not said a word in response. And the lawyers for the convicts say it is unlikely to happen because apparently there is no evidence against the terrorists. No evidence, no conspiracy. Listen to this.
The court has asked a very specific and pertinent question, and that is that the first charge in the indictment was of conspiracy. Where is the evidence of conspiracy? Because your own witness who participated in that meeting where you say the conspiracy took place, he says that no conspiracy was hashed in that meeting.
You heard that. There was no conspiracy. Then why were they in prison for 18 years? The US State Department has taken note of this absolute travesty of justice. It has said, and I quote, "We are deeply concerned by the ruling of the Sindh High Court to release multiple terrorists responsible for the murder of Daniel Pearl. We have been assured that the accused have not been released at this time." Well, we know that. We have been assured. We all know how assurances from Pakistan turn out to be. The Pakistan government claims it has filed an appeal against the release. The Sindh government says it is going to challenge the order as well. But we are just hours away from the release of the convicts. And even if the court's ruling is repealed, chances of which are abysmally low, the fact that a court in Pakistan thinks that crimes like murder carried out by known terrorists do not matter after 18 years says a whole lot about how crippled and corrupt the system really is. Daniel Pearl's murderers must not walk free. They must not be set free, and the world must oppose their release.
We have filed an appeal of this decision to the Pakistani Supreme Court. We are standing up for justice, not only for our son, but for all our dear friends in Pakistan, so they can live in a society free of violence and terror and raise their children in peace and harmony.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.